Welcome back, everyone. This is Felipe, co-founder of Triplo AI. Today, I have some exciting news to share with you. Triplo AI is back with a brand new release of version 2.3, and it's packed with two incredible features that will help you to produce more. Without further ado, let's head straight to it. First up, we have training. Training is a game changer in AI, insight, and content generation. With training, you can now give Triplo AI a sort of mind by inputting text into it. This empowers your AI to produce more precise and comprehensive outputs by establishing a substantial context. Think of it as a sort of long-term memory. So let me show an example on how training works. And I chose something interesting. This is a new phone from Nokia. I know nothing about it, but the interesting thing is that Nokia CO2 was launched in 2023 on February. AI doesn't know anything about Nokia CO2, and let me try it here. Um, what what do you know about Nokia CO2? And you see that the best guess is that AI will hallucinate. So I'm sorry, I couldn't find any specific information on Nokia CO2. It's a well-known multinational telecommunications company, so it doesn't know anything about Nokia CO2. And what we can do now is head into training, this new beta feature, and create a new brain. So this is info Nokia CO2. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy the full content of their page and paste here on Triplo AI. And I happen to have a full user guide of Nokia CO2 here with me. So I'm going to select the full content of it, head to Triplo AI, and paste it here. Notice that now I'm consuming pretty much 15,000 tokens out of these 24,000 limits. This is during the beta. Later we'll know if we'll keep this way or increase. We'll probably increase. And I'll save it. And let's wait for a few seconds. And you see that now we have this info Nokia CO2. And if you head back to Triplo AI, you have this blue bar on the top of the user interface stating that you're using this brain. So let's ask again, what is Nokia CO2? And you see that now it gives us pretty much accurate information. It's a smartphone that's designed to withstand accidental drops, thanks to added durability in drop-tested design, features, blah, 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 blah. So now you have reliable information and context about this particular product. Training addresses one of the primary limitations of AI today, which is a lack of context. And as I said, training in Triplo AI is sort of long-term memory. With this Triplo AI training feature, you can ensure that the generated insights and contents are accurate, complete, and at its highest quality. Next up, we have automation, and it takes productivity to the next level. These features enables automatic data gathering from external sources and seamless delivery of generated content to third-party services. Just imagine the possibilities of it. Cool. Now let's do an automation. Let's head into a particular use case that I think it's very interesting. I'll head to this icon here. So automation, it's also a beta feature. So expect some problems and report bugs for us. And what it does, it allows you to connect third-party services either to gather information for your generation or to deliver the content that you generated. I'm going to call this one create a new pipe drive deal. And what it does, it extracts. So it extracts info from a URL to create a new pipe drive deal. This is something that I do quite often. And what I'm going to do, I'll add a parameter here. And this is where I'll start to create this automation in detail. So what I'll need the URL. So this is the URL. And I'll describe it here. This is the URL used to source content for the content generation. Okay, what else I'm gonna need? I'm gonna need the name of the company. So I'll call it name. So what's the name of the company presented on the content? And I'm gonna add another one, the summary. So I'm going to summarize in a single paragraph the content of the URL. And now I'll head to the next step. And this is where I'll have to put the webhook where this information will be delivered. So I'm considering creating a new Pipedrive deal. I could use Zapier or Publi or whatever it is, but I'll jump here and first create this payload of JSON. Okay, I don't have a clue on how to create a JSON structure, so I'll jump back to Triplo AI and ask for it for a JSON with names, URL name, and summary. And there it is. This is all I need. I'll head back to my automation, paste it here. And first, I'm going to address this field. So I'm going to select it and hit at and click URL. The name, I'll hit at and select name. And summary, I'll hit at and select summary. And what will be the webhook? For now, I'm going to use this service. This is just a webhook monitoring service. And I'll paste it here and save. And now I have this new automation called Create a Pipedrive Deal. And the idea behind it is that if I had here and say, create a Pipedrive deal from, and I'll put Triplo AI here, it should send it through this webhook. And let's see how this goes. I'll hit enter. The webhook was triggered. And there we have it. This is the URL, https://triplo.ai. This is the name of the company. And this is the summary of what Triplo AI does. And if I had this connected to my Publi, I could create this Pipedrive deal. Automation. You can fetch real-time data from a news service and create a social media post right through Triplo AI. You can also scrape pages and summarize them and create new deals on your CRM system. You rule it. You can use third-party services like Zapier, Publi, and any other one to streamline and integrate Triplo into your existing workflows. Whatever you need, comprehensive insights, precise content generation, or seamless integration with external services, Triplo AI got you covered. With training and automation, you can unlock the full potential of your productivity like never before. We encourage you to explore these amazing new features and please report your bugs. Remember, they are on beta mode, so it's expected that they do not work perfectly and we are working to improve them. Thank you for trusting your team, and remember, the sky's the limit when it comes to productivity. Bye-bye.